Hey guys, Eli over at Houston Motorsports again, baby. We're showing you guys today one of the Thumper Fab sound roofs that they got. If you're looking for good quality sound and a heavy duty roof that you can still work on, this is what you need, man. We got a CNC machine roof up top with your basic sound system in here. We got two 6x9s and an amplifier up there. Up here, we got your working lights on the sides. So as you guys can see, we got that dual row 40-inch in the front. We got the two side pods on each side, and then we got a 6-inch in the back, man. This thing is meant to get the job done while having fun. If you guys want to reach out to us or Thumper Fab, we can get these guys at multiple levels. If you don't want lights in the rear or lights in the side, they can customize it to whatever your liking is. They customize these real panels to your liking. So if you want to customize this to the color of your Ranger or your Can-Am, your side-by-side, whatever it is, man, Thumper Fab has got you covered, and so do we over at Houston Motorsports.